YouCanBookMe Salesforce integration updates your Salesforce instance anytime a new lead adds a new booking or if you update a booking based on that lead. Let's see how it works. If you already logged into your Salesforce account, it's very simple. Log into YouCanBookMe, head to My Account, and go to the integrations page. Scroll down to see Salesforce. If you're already logged in, just click on Connect. You do need to be a Salesforce admin in order to do this. So you're all set. You can see that Salesforce is here. You've got the tick. And if we go to booking pages, we can see that in the notification section, Salesforce has been added as part of the workflows that happen after the booking is made. If the booking is rescheduled, for example, we would update on Salesforce. And if the booking is cancelled, we'll update it on Salesforce as well. Also, if the booking is marked as a no-show, that will update in Salesforce as well. So let's go see how it works. Here's a booking page. We can choose our appointment type, choose a team member. And as long as that team member are in Salesforce as well with their email address, they can be assigned to the booking when it happens. Okay, so now we've got the form filled out, and we can confirm booking. And we can see there it is confirmed, and Antonio is the date. So now we can head over to our Salesforce instance. And here we go. We can see now here is the person we booked, and we can go ahead and see that their stream has been updated with the event. We've got the location, the start and end time. Here we've got who the attendees are. That's the team member who was booked and who it's assigned to. If the person who it's assigned to isn't a team member in Salesforce, then it will be assigned to the kind of Salesforce account admin. And that's a person who's also been created by and modified by. So you have all the information you need here, including their name. You've got the meeting type, and then information from the booking form. So you can see which appointment type they chose, for example, what the status is. Any kind of, if it gets cancelled, there'll be a reason here. Promo codes or payments, all of that information will be there as well. Down here in the description, you'll see plenty of helpful links for managing the booking, as well as all the information from the booking form there in the summary. If you are looking at this just before the meeting happens, you can see the link here will allow you to join the Zoom or Google Meet if it's a virtual meeting. And this link lets you manage the booking in YouCanBookMe. So let's go ahead and have a look at that. It takes you directly into your YouCanBookMe account to the appointment that's there. You can see all the information you need. If you need to reschedule or cancel, you can do that here. You can also write and all of that information will be, there you go, there's the note there that's been updated from YouCanBookMe. We could also, if, for example, we were rescheduling it to a different time, and I'm doing it myself, I can say I'd like to do it maybe on Thursday instead. Reschedule. And that's on Thursday at 10:40. We just need to refresh. And you can see now the start time has changed to 10:40. And you can also see down here, rescheduled by owner. If the booker did the rescheduling, you'd be able to see that the booker rescheduled it. So there's all that information you've got there from Salesforce. And then also if we look at the calendar, we can see that if we go to 10:40 on the Thursday, that's this one, you can see that's the meeting is there as well with Terry. So that is our new Salesforce integration. If you have any questions at all, don't hesitate to get in touch. Any comments or ideas about how we can improve it, we'd love to hear them. Thanks so much.